Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. Right, today I'm going to show you guys my very first video. It's a remake of my very first video where I used an orange peel powder and I used it as a facial and scrubber. So I'm going to redo this video because that video was not so good, I believe, because a lot of negative comments on that about the audio and about they being not able to understand that. So I thought I will redo that, and this time I hope you guys can hear me, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All right, so stay tuned and watch this video and see how I use this mask, because it is really useful. It exfoliates all the dead skin and it makes my skin really smooth and soft, and this is one of my favorite masks. All right, so you guys should use this at least once and let me know how you like it, and leave your comments below because it is really useful to me. Thank you guys, please stay tuned.
Add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of orange peel powder. One teaspoon of honey. We need a paste consistency here. If it is less, go ahead and add a little more honey. Don't make it too watery. We need it to be a paste. So this is what we are looking for. Go ahead and apply it on your face now. Wash it. Okay, that feels good, and I definitely look happy here with this DIY mask. And I think everyone should try this at least once. I'm happy, that's what I'm saying.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also let me know your comments below, because your comments really encourages me and it encourages me to make more videos for you guys. And yes, so just go ahead and leave your comments and share it with your friends if you like it. All right, and don't forget to watch my cooking videos as well, and let me know if you guys like what I'm cooking, and let me know what more I can do for you guys, as in what I need to cook, or what kind of dish, or what beauty tips you want me to do. All right, so any DIY that you would like me to do it, so go ahead and mention in the comments so that I will know and I can make a video on that for you guys. Bye bye.